Hello guys, back with another video. So after this video, if my comments are turned on, I would like for you guys to tell me what videos I should do next, based on like what. Alright, meme maker card game. Why not? Let's try that out actually. Meme maker. I absolutely don't care. No! And your leg falls asleep. I guess. Nah, this game boring. This game sucks. Boring. Queso the No, that's crazy. That's crazy, dude. Ooh. No, don't recreate the Titanic. No, please. Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brothers. We must stay focused. Classic. Make sure my dogs don't get ran over by a car. Alright, let's go. Oh no, what happened to my picture? Water got spilled on it. Whatever. Alright. What ship are we going to be using today? The Titanic. This game is really cool, especially when you get the Titanic. But you have to buy the Titanic. I do not remember buying the Titanic, to be honest. TBH. Alright, let's go, guys. Quote of the day. If friends were money, I would rather have 4 quarters than 100 pennies. Mayday, mayday! Mayday, mayday! Start the very, very dramatic Titanic music. Ooh, I love this. I wish Piscart had better songs, so my videos were better. Bro, everybody's just crashing into my boat. Alright. I have a stuffy nose. What happens in my... I'm driving the boat, right? Is anything even happening? Why is my boat jumping up and down? y'all Titanic music. Ooh. Oh, how's my... Halt, halt, halt! You guys, halt! Wait, May, halt the boat! It's not, it's sinking! Your Majesty, the Titanic is sinking! What must we do? There's nothing we can do. No. What must we... Sir, the Titanic is sinking. What must we do? There's nothing we can do. Play French, there's nothing we can do song. No! Wrong song! Wait, I'll be right back, you guys. I'll be right back. Yeah. Damn it! The boat is sinking! No! Where'd the boat go? Oh, the boat sank. This. It's fine though. It's fine. It's fine. Hey, what happened to my Titanic again? How did the back of the ship already... Guys, what's your honest opinion about the Titanic accident? Comment down below. If you're gonna comment how you feel about the Titanic, make sure you comment about what other videos I should make on. Chips ahoy! Matey! No, it's a mistake! Oh, finally it's daytime. Even though the Titanic sunk during the night. Back up! Your Majesty, the unsinkable ship has sunk. Are you talking about the Titanic? Yes, it's sinking. Huh. Good picture, a good picture. No, no. Not the cruise ship. Not the cargo ship. The cargo has crashed. And then he's gonna go under it. My boat. No, please, no, please, no. Yeah, the Titanic did sink, did crash in the front of the boat. Might as well crash into it. Ooh, my boat crashed. Is it just me or I love Las Vegas? Rose spitting facts. No, the San Francisco Giants player Crawford's going to jump into the ocean and die. The boat is actually surviving pretty well. Sir, you just messed up my video. I'm falling. I'm falling off the boat. The iceberg sunk our ship. I'm stuck under a big old piece of wood. How am I still stuck under a piece of wood? The Titanic doesn't even look like how it originally sunk. It just looks like... Can you guys stop ramming into my boat? Cargo J sounds like a rapper name. Oh, I done messed up. Oh, barely by an inch. No, why is the back of the ship sinking? I'm gonna take a screenshot and then I'm gonna make I Survived the Titanic 2.0. How is the ship not sinking by now? The music is playing. Is there somebody inside driving it? Because I swear if someone is, it doesn't seem like anybody is. How the heck did I do this shit? I'm inside of the boat now. No, like, I'm actually inside of the ship. This sucks. I'm stuck inside of my ship. No, oh, I'm free. You see the Titanic left? Yo, it's sick. It's sick in here, you guys. Come and take a dip. Nothing bad's in the water. It's just a bunch of boats that have sunken into the deep. Sunken into the sea. Yeah, just yeah. All right, one more sink, and then I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna go for. I'll let anybody do anything to the Titanic. Yeah. Oh, wait, guys, I gotta go right now. Hold on, wait. Yo, let's go! Finally, we finally got some people. They want to be in our video. Hooray! Hooray! It's taking a while, but oh man, I'm cold. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now. Adios guys.